Alright, so we got some really good news, and then we got some news that sounds like it's going to be bad news, but really it's just an opportunity to show off how powerful this build is. We're going to go into how to use your expanders today, so let's go ahead and just hop into it. One of the add-ons is down, and it's going to be Verdict, and that's one of our top live TV add-ons, but no worries. Just find your project cipher. It's going to be probably further up to the right, and what you're going to do is you're just going to click on it. It's going to ask you if you want to install it, and just click and say yes. And for basketball fans, it's got 2 working HD ESPNs working right now, and also 2 TNTs for NBA fans. So for NBA fans, you're looking for as many ESPNs and TNTs as possible. So that's going to maximize that. And whenever in doubt, you can always just scroll up in here, go to your cloud. So it's directly below favorites. Just click on LMIR cloud. And I'm not going to go into it, but I'm just going to show you how to get there. It's going to be up in your documents. And it's this document right here. So if you're ever having an issue getting one of your add-ons, one of your top 3 add-ons to work, come in here and make sure that it's working. If it's not working, we'll have it highlighted in here, and we'll have a little note next to it on what expander we recommend that you use. But the really good news is that we're coming out with an update very soon, and you're going to see that the NBA section or the NCAA section is going to be completely done. We're just doing this for March Madness to make sure that everybody's ready. So come into the American sports section and you'll see what I'm saying. Well, here I've got to wait for my build to load up. There we go. Come into your basketball channels, and these are going to be stacked right up in here. So we've got a new section that's just for NBA on how to find it's actually on NBA and NCAA on how to find the game on what channels. And then we've got that pointed out, so TNT, and then BT Sports ESPN is going to be the best for NCAA, etc., etc. But with that being said, that's pretty much everything I needed to go over. Just a short little highlight, and we'll keep it like that. Alright guys, if y'all have any questions or anything like that, definitely reach out to me.